Irish, happy birthday. Sana naman na maging healthy ka at stay safe at yun lang.
Hi Ate Iris, happy birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo is maging healthy ka at matupad ang iyong mga pangarap. Yun lang.
Hi Ate Irish, I wish you a happy birthday. I hope na maging atas ka palagi, lalo na madalas ang pag-alis nyo at alam kong ma-stress ka na sa mga schoolworks mo. Di mo lang pinapakita, pero alam kong kaya mo yan. Malapit na ang katapusan. Hindi, serious lang. Malapit ka na makapagtapos, fighting lang. Love you.
Happy birthday!
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it in brains, huh? What do you want? I will give you this and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want what you live. Thank you. I love you, brother. I love you. And I know you love me. Peace out, man.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday. Ilan taon ka na? Ilan taon ka na?
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na?